Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullah. How are you, Musa Khan? How are you?
Fine.
Fine. What was you are doing before
Leading.
eating?
Leading.
Reading?
No leading.
Acha, leading. Reading or
Yes.
leading? And how you did practice?
Good.
Okay, I'm sharing.
Auzu billahi minash shaitan rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, carry on.
Alif, ba,
Uh,
ta, sa,
slow.
jim, ha, ha,
Um,
ha, dal, zal,
Slow. Hmm.
lo,
Raw. Raw.
lo, lo, ja.
Yeah, okay. ठीक है.
Sin, sin, sin,
शाबाश.
sin.
शाबाश.
Swad,
Sword.
sod,
हाँ. Yes.
dod,
Board. Okay, okay, okay. Board.
dod,
Carry on. Next one.
ta,
Four. Four.
tho, tha,
Yeah.
tho,
Four.
wo,
Hmm.
tho,
Next
tho,
time.
wo, wo,
War.
wo,
War. War. Next one.
wo. Ein,
Rain.
ein,
Hmm. Next one.
lain, lain,
Rain. Rain.
wain,
Rain.
wain,
Hmm.
wain,
ठीक है. शाबाश. 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 Carry on.
fa,
Yes, okay.
off, off,
Off.
off,
Carry on.
off,
Okay, carry on.
half,
Calf.
half,
Ca- Calf. Carry on.
half, lam, mim, noon, wow, ha, hamza, ya, ya.
Ah, yes, well done. So sweet. So sweet.
Alif,
Hmm.
lam alif, lam alif,
Okay.
ba alif,
Okay.
lam alif,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
lam,
Okay. Okay.
lam,
Sorry, again.
lam alif,
Yes, good, good. Hmm.
lam jim,
Yeah.
lam jim,
Okay. Okay.
lam alif,
Ah, yes, so sweet. Okay. Okay.
ba,
Carry on.
lam, ba,
Ah,
lam, ba,
yes. Yes.
ha,
What is it?
ha,
What is this?
ha,
Calf.
ha,
Calf.
ka, kaf, kaf,
Calf. Huh.
kaf,
Calf.
kaf,
Yes. Yes. Next one.
kafa, kafa,
Okay.
kafta,
Okay, kafta. Okay. Next one.
Alif.
Okay, next one.
Kaf, Lam.
Okay, next one.
Ta, Taf. No, Ba, Taf, Ta. Ba,
Yes.
Ta.
Yes, good. Ba, kaf, ta.
Ba, Ta, Taf, Ta. Ta. Ta.
Now again, please, once.
Ba,
Ba, kaf, ta.
Ba,
Ba.
Ta, Ta. Sha.
Yes, good. Sa.
Ba,
Carry on.
Ba, Ta.
Okay, carry on.
Learn Quran online with proper Tajweed, UK, USA, Canada and worldwide. Highly qualified, male and female Quran tutors. Class time of your choice. 3-day free trial class. The fee is very reasonable and affordable, 30% off. Female teachers for female students. So don't send your kids outside for Quran learning. Join online today and get 3-day free trial class.